Welcome to the Vanderpump Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada, folks. Look at this nice looking car. This is the front side of the Vanderpump Hotel and Casino. Look at those two trees right there. Here are the rates at Vanderpump Hotel. So we're gonna book tonight, the 24th. It's $59. So we're gonna book tonight, choose one night. We're gonna click it. We're gonna hit, this is what it's supposed to look like. We're gonna hit see rates, best value, continue to book. We're gonna hit continue to book. Vanderpump Hotel, June the 24th to the 25th, $66. Here at Lisa Vanderpump's Hotel and Casino. Look how beautiful it is. We just got a room key. We're room 623. Let's go over here and check out our room. Here's the hotel elevators right here. They have a nice bench as well. We're gonna go up. Okay, here we go. Boom, boom, scan our key. Hit floor 6. And we're off. Elevators are shutting. Up we go. Lisa Vanderpump right there as well. Okay, we're almost here. Elevators are opening. Oh, look at it. Look at this. Very nice. They have a nice bench here as well. How cool. Look at it. Very nice lighting. I love the lighting here. Look at this. Always very, very nice. We're room 623. We're this way. I like how they have the room numbers on here. Looks very cool. This is our room. Here we go. Let's go check it out. Go. Here we go. Ooh, look at it. Very, very nice. Here's a newly remodeled Lisa Vanderpump room. There's about 188 rooms here. I think about 21 suites. This is what it's looking like. Very, very nice room. They put a bunch of different mini bar contents here. You also have a refrigerator with all kinds of stuff. You have a very nice coffee bar as well. Look at this coffee. Very nice coffee. I like the way this coffee looks. Airtight. Also have some jasmine green tea here as well. Very nice lampshade. I like that lamp. Really good TV. You also have Lisa Vanderpump's dog on the wall. Her horse there as well. Lisa Vanderpump is there as well. There she is. Nice room though. I do like what they did with it. The remodel is very, very nice. I like all the backgrounds. You have a mirror here for the ladies to do their makeup. The bathroom is also here. Look at that chandelier as well. Glowing chandelier. There's the bathroom. Very nice bathroom. The sink. Very clean sink as well. The shower. I really like the way the shower looks. This is the same shower that was in the Cromwell. Very nice though. That's life. You also have the toilet here. You also have another cool picture. A little toilet paper roll holder. The toilet paper there. You also have a window here that you can open. Little window, can't see much there. A very nice room overall though, I will say. I like the way it looks. This door slides as well. Vanderpump is officially in the hotel business, folks. I think there's around 188 rooms here. Maybe 21 suites, I think I read. So it'll be interesting to see what else Lisa Vanderpump ends up doing here on the Las Vegas Strip. She already has a couple restaurants, one at Flamingo, one at Caesar's Palace, and one at Paris as well. But yeah, this is what the new rooms look like here at formerly the Cromwell Hotel and Casino, now officially the Vanderpump Hotel, folks. And there she is, Lisa Vanderpump, the queen of Las Vegas, folks. Enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps out the channel. We sure do appreciate it, folks. We're at the Vanderpump Hotel. Look at this board. Let's see if we can get lucky, folks. 60 cents a bed. Oh, here it is. Heads. Oh, here we go. Here we go. More heads. Come on now. Oh, the fire head. Oh, $10. Give us another one. $7.50. $2.25. Not bad. Quick $19. We bought it for $100. The Vanderpump Hotel right here, folks.